आज रात 12 बजे से संपूर्ण देश में संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है।
The outbreak of COVID-19 has created a global health crisis that has had a deep impact on the way we pursue our world every day. However, as COVID-19 cases are increasing fast every day, in order to control its spread in the pandemic situation, especially during lockdowns, remote monitoring is the best solution for this. Remote monitoring. But why? Public health practitioners need to constantly review their performance in detecting and responding to the patient health conditions accordingly. And hence, the doctors are more vulnerable to be affected. So, many hospitals has been shut down. As a result of this, even the people are unable to go to their regular checkups also. So, to come out of this situation, remote monitoring is very essential for both the doctors as well as the patients of India. Existing technologies. Here comes Dozy, India's first contactless, remote, accurate and affordable health monitoring solution that can convert any bed into a step-down ICU bed. Dozy comes with a simple sensor sheet which can be placed below the mattress of a person, and without even touching the person, it catches vibrations produced in every heartbeat and respiration cycle. Hamara Suraksha. Introducing Hamara Suraksha, which is the upgraded model of the Dozy. The additional features to this are even the height, weight and temperature of a person can also be measured. In our application or website, for every 1 hour, the patient health conditions will be updated using an IoT module so that the doctors will be alerted when any fluctuations are noticed. We can even deploy this system in an ambulance using chargeable batteries. The added value proposition is that the doctors will get flexible working hours. We can reduce the direct contact with COVID-affected patients. Hamara Suraksha is not only used during the pandemic situations, but also it is used in monitoring the people suffering from chronic diseases and regular health issues. There are multiple benefits by using this, and the major advantage is that even the people who are living in abroad can also easily access this and get their parents' health conditions on regular basis. Benefits. Hamara Suraksha gives 360 degrees of patient health conditions, reduces exposure of medical staff to infection, and also it helps to monitor corona patients for about 24 hours, and it is easily affordable.
Hello, this is Dr. Kaushik, team leader of Atulya. We have already developed our web platform, and our IoT platform is simulated on Proteus simulation software. We have to integrate our IoT parameters through our website, and we have to push the data to the cloud with the help of edge computing. We are already in talks with Dozy, which is our existing client, and we have explained them what all features we are going to add to Dozy. They have accepted our proposal, and they are very closely working with Karnataka government and Kerala government. We are already in talks with Edzinos, Outshade Digital Media, Benefy Technologies, Skillship Foundation, who will be helping us in assisting AI and mobile platform technologies. Thank you.